Hey guys, so today we're going to look at migrating assets. So Unreal has this really amazing feature where if you create something in one project, you can seamlessly migrate it to another project on your computer. This is a great tool to use when you're starting out and you want to start borrowing assets from other projects on the Unreal Marketplace or in their Learn tool. So I really recommend if you're getting started, under the Learn tab, if we scroll down, there are the content examples. And so this is a series of sort of museum-like levels where you can browse different assets, landscapes, materials, and bring them into your own project. So I already went ahead and downloaded this. And here we go. So you can see it's different museums. And if we go into maps, we have all the different levels that we can look at right here. So I'm going to go ahead and look at, let's see what's in the Niagara level. Now this is for particle systems. So let's take a look. All right, great. So I can go ahead and hit play and I can kind of walk through this like a museum and I can just see what interests me. So this cool sprite emitter. Oh, this kind of looks like DNA. That's really cool. Oh, that's fun. This like nice like orb ball thing. Yeah. Very cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the museum and I'm gonna see what this is. So this is a sprite facing system. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to browse to assets right here. And if I right click and do asset actions, I can select migrate. What's nice about the migrate tool is that I not only need the system, but I also need the emitter as well. And if you click on something else that has different materials or different assets that need to be packaged together, the migration tool will do that for you. So it's grabbing everything I need to be able to migrate this cool particle system. I'm going to say OK. And I want to put it into the content folder of my project. So this is world building demo. I'm already there. I want to be in the content folder. So I hit select folder and there we go. Content migration completed successfully. So I'll close this. And now in my project, I have my particle system and ribbon, and that's not what I wanted. There we go. Example content, Niagara, simple, and I have the sprite facing system, and I can go ahead and put that in my world. I'm going to put that right over the player start. Great, and now if I go ahead and hit play, I have all these like cool particles surrounding me. All right, great. So that's how you can migrate assets from one project into another, particularly using the content examples from Unreal.